Happy Scribe Audio Service Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think transcription is slow and expensive, but you won't believe what happens next when AI and human editors combine. Happy Scribe is a transcription and subtitle service that offers both automated AI transcription and human-edited accuracy. It is used by journalists, YouTubers, students, and businesses. The surprising truth about Happy Scribe is that its AI transcription can reach up to about 85 to 90% accuracy for clear audio, while human-edited options push accuracy close to 99%. Most people get this wrong. They rely only on AI for important projects. In reality, using human review for legal, academic, or professional content is much safer. Happy Scribe supports multiple languages, speaker identification, and export options for captions and documents. Turnaround time can be as fast as minutes for AI and 1 to 2 days for human-edited transcripts. Happy Scribe is best for content creators who value speed and accuracy. The surprising truth is that clear transcripts multiply your content reach. Subscribe for more honest creator tool reviews that help you work smarter.